We will now keep hunting elk. Well, wherever my... Oh, there it is. Alright then, let's continue.
That's one.
Got a possum as well.
There's two.
There's two. Look at those mountains up there.
Yeah! That's a decent piece of shooting. Nice shooting. Those will make a fine stew.
Huh. Then let's keep hunting. Got a raccoon.
Great shot.
Great shot. Got all three. Yeah. Triple goal.
Boy, howdy, that's some great shooting. That's some good shooting. That's a keeper. Triple ball bonus. Do 'em up.
We will now continue to hunt. Well, I think there's a...
Nailed it.
Got one.
There's two.
There's two.
Yeah.
Double ball.
That's a decent piece of shooting. He fell like a ton of brick. Those will make a fine stew.
Critter bonus as well. Almost done with the elk adventure. Got one. I got two. Got all three. Woohoo!
That's some nice shooting. That's a decent piece of shooting. That one's gonna feed the whole family. Triple bull bonus. You're gonna need a bigger truck.
Alright then. Hunt. Got a cougar.
Nailed it.
And a raccoon. There's two.
That's all three.
Got all three. Alright.
Yeah. That was a sweet shot. That's as fine as it gets. That's a beauty. Triple ball bonus. Do 'em up.
I turned into a cougar skin rug. Put the raccoon and put him out there. While the elk are mounted on my wall. Bonus game.
Mars needs cattle.
Mars needs cattle. It's impossible. I thought the people assured us there was no life on Mars. But Martians have come to abduct my cows. What if Martians could possibly be real? It's unknown. The people assured us there was no life on Mars. There we go, 24 out of 25. Oof. There's the bone. We've completed the elk adventure.
Elk adventure.